Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy English. Today we have another easy English story for A1 learners. Listen carefully, learn new words and enjoy the story. The Helpful Neighbour. My name is David. I am 10 years old and I live with my parents and my little sister in a quiet neighbourhood. Our neighbours are very kind, especially an old man named Mr. Thomas. He lives next door and always smiles when he sees us. Every morning Mr. Thomas waters the flowers in his garden. His garden is beautiful. There are red roses, yellow sunflowers and many colourful butterflies. Sometimes I stop to talk to him on my way to school. One Saturday morning my mother says, "David, can you take these cookies to Mr. Thomas?" "Of course," I answer. I walk to his house and knock on the door. "Good morning, Mr. Thomas," I say. "Good morning, David," he replies with a warm smile. "Thank you for the cookies." While we are talking, I notice many boxes in his living room. "Are you moving?" I ask. "Yes," he says. "I am cleaning my house and moving some old things to the garage. But the boxes are heavy." "I can help you," I say. Mr. Thomas smiles. "Thank you, that is very kind of you." Together we carry the boxes to the garage. Some boxes are full of books and others have old family photos, toys and clothes. We work slowly because some boxes are very heavy. After we finish, Mr. Thomas says, "Let's take a short break." He brings 2 glasses of cold lemonade and some homemade biscuits. We sit in the garden and talk. He tells me stories about his childhood. He says he loved riding his bicycle, climbing trees and fishing with his father. I enjoy listening to his stories. Then he shows me an old photo album. I see pictures of his family, his old house and even his first dog. In the afternoon my father comes to help too. Together we move the last boxes and clean the garage. When everything is finished, Mr. Thomas looks very happy. "I could not do this without you," he says. "You are always kind to everyone," my father replies. "Today we wanted to help you." Before we leave, Mr. Thomas gives me a small gift, a beautiful storybook. "This book was my favourite when I was your age," he says. "Thank you very much," I say. "I will read it carefully." That evening, I begin reading the storybook. It reminds me that helping others is one of the best things we can do. Now, whenever Mr. Thomas needs help with his garden or shopping, my family is happy to help him. Helping our neighbours makes our community stronger, happier and friendlier. Lesson: always be kind and help the people around you. A good neighbour can become a good friend, and small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Thank you for listening. See you in the next Easy English story on Learn Easy English.